Hello friends, to this we have seen the conversion of any binary number into decimal number. Again we repeat it. Conversion of binary to decimal. Suppose we take any binary number 11.011 and we want to convert it into decimal number. So first step, write down the binary number. Binary number is 11.011. Give binary point towards left side of the binary point. Give the binary weight 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1. Towards the right side of the binary point, give the binary weight 2 raised to power minus 1, 2 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power minus 3. Discard 0. If any 0 is there, discard 0. Third step. So we discard 0. Next step, write the value of binary weight. The value of binary weight 2 raised to 0 is 1. The value of binary weight 2 raised to power 1 is 2. So this 2 plus 1, it is 3. Next, here 2 raised to power minus 2, its value is 0.25. 2 raised to power minus 3, its value is 0.125. So we add it here 0.125 and simple way here we keep 0 and add this 5, 7, 3. So 0 and final we add this 2, 3.0 and 3. Means if we add here 3, 7, 5. So the final answer is 3.375. So this is that decimal number 3.375. So in this way we can convert any binary number into its decimal number or decimal equivalent. So here we take whole number, fraction number, and together this it is known as mixed binary number. Now we take another example. Take another one example. 1000.111. This is one binary number and we want to convert it into its decimal fraction. So this is our decimal fraction. Now first step, write the binary number. So the binary number is 1000.111. Next, write down the binary weight. Every time we should take careful while writing the binary weight. So first we give the binary point. Towards the left side, write the binary weight in the ascending order, that is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. Towards the right side of the binary weight, we write the number in descending order, 2 raised to power minus 1, 2 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power minus 3. Ascending order means चढत्या क्रमाने 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the increasing power, and descending order means reducing power. So here 2 raised to power minus 1, 2 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power minus 3. These are known as reducing power or descending order, and this is known as ascending order. Next step, discard 0 and its corresponding binary weight. The 0, 0, 0 corresponding binary weight, we discard it. Next, write down the binary weight of that particular number. 2 raised to power 3 means 8. Next point, here 3 fraction numbers are there. So the value of first 2 raised to power minus 1, its value is 0.5. 2 raised to power minus 2, its value is 0.25. 2 raised to power minus 3, its value is 0.125. So for add, we take simple addition. 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2 plus 1, 8. And finally we add these two numbers. This number is 8. If we add here, the final answer is 8.875. So this is the simple addition or conversion of this binary number into its decimal equivalent. Okay. So these are the simple methods. By that method we can convert any binary number to its into decimal equivalent. Okay. Now we take another example. Next example, here we write 1011.11. Okay, this is one binary number and we want to convert it into its decimal number. Again the steps are same. First write down the binary numbers 1 0 1 1.11. Give binary decimal. Write down the binary weight for each number. For whole number, write from left side of the binary point. So 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3. For fractional number, write 2 raised to power minus 1, 2 raised to power minus 2. Next one, if any 0 is there, discard and its corresponding binary weight. So here number and its binary weight we discard it. Next, give binary point. Write down the binary weight of each value. 2 raised to power 0, its value is 1. 2 raised to power 1, its value is 2. 2 raised to power 3, its value is 8. So 8 plus 2 plus 1, it is 11. Next, 2 raised to power minus 1, its value is 0.5. 2 raised to power minus 2, its value is 0.25. Add these two, it is 0.75. So the final answer is 11.75. So in this way, we can convert any binary number to its into decimal fraction. You can do simple any number. So now I will give you homework for you. Write like this: number 1, 1 0 1 0 1 0. Convert this into its decimal. Second one, 1 1 0 1. Convert it into its decimal. Third one, 0.101. Converts it into decimal. Next number, 11.11. Converts it into decimal. And last one, 100.001. So these are the few homework for you. Okay. If you get the correct answer, then we say that you understand this topic or this point, how to convert a binary number into its decimal fraction. Okay. Thank you.